Here, first I had my hibiscus tea. I decided on hibiscus today as opposed to green tea. It's such a beautiful flower. When I was a kid, it grew wild. With 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, equivalent to half of a lemon, and I normally wait half an hour before eating, but this morning I didn't because my blood sugar is borderline low, 80. Your goal has to be keeping your blood sugar within range, not too low, not too high. Because mine is borderline low today, I'm going to start with papaya, about 3 ounces, 1 cup of bran flakes, my stuffed pita packet, only 9 carb. It looks like a lot of carb. Stuffed with cherry tomato. I'll show you. Cherry tomato, egg, and cucumber with drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on it instead of mayo. Same thing in both packets. So, that's what's for breakfast. Is it healthy? Is it delicious? Is it filling? Most people say, I can't. The diabetes diet doesn't make me full. This is a whole lot of food on this plate for my breakfast. Ciao.